Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing an AG. Tina's Reborns and I do a once a month AG collab. And this month we're doing DIY. So we're upstairs in our 100-year-old home, and I'm about to show you our holiday closet where I keep a lot of my doll stuff. And that is right over from the doll nook. The door drags. I left the light on so you could see. This is what we call the holiday closet because I have all of our holiday decorations in it. And then there's a rack of clothes. Those are all for my 36 to 38 inch Barbies. There's some dolls on this shelf. This is where I keep my doll shoes down here. I have AG shoes, Welly Wisher shoe boxes, and then miscellaneous. What is this? Oh, more shoes. Aren't those cute? Ooh, I wonder if those will fit my new ones. Anyway, what I want to show you is my DIY. I take kitty litter tubs, and I use that, what is it called, Darren? Two times the coverage or something. Double coverage.
Spray can.
And I just spray it yellow because it is yellow. They stack wonderful. Can you show, like we have Chrissy and 18 inch. Some of these I just put tape on. So I know it's not kitty litter, but now used for my dolls. This one says American Girl original clothes and stuff. I always need more room. So this one is going to be, I just use a marker, 18 inch doll clothes. And that is my DIY. Oh, I clean off the outside before I spray paint it. I clean out the inside before I use it. I knock eggs on the floor. There's my teddy bears. I love them. Thank you for watching. Tina, thank you for yet another really, really fun AG month. And wait till you see what we have next month. Next month we are going all out, June 28th. Darren and I are live on Thursday nights at 6 p.m. I hope you will join us.